May profits be upon you. I had put a question in the chat today, and it was this doohickey here. Oops. Let's see if I can blow this up a little bit. It was this one, right? And the question was, what's in control? Meaning buyers, sellers, supply, demand, what's in control? All we see is what we got here, all right? Now, I want to explain this structural question, at least the way I see it. And I hope you can follow with me. All right. Now, we know that when we talk about structure, we're talking about higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Until price decides to do one of these numbers. Ha, what just happened? We broke structure. All right. These higher lows are establishing the structure for the markets. This is a bullish structure. Buyers are in control here. They take price higher with an impulse, a correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Aha, break of structure. BOS, break of structure. As soon as price breaks the higher low that it was responsible for this higher high, we've gone from a bullish momentum to, we shifted to a bearish one. As soon as we break structure here, that this indicates sellers are now taking control. And then you look for the lower high, the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. Just understand that this higher high is made by a higher low. This lower low is only made by a lower high. That is responsible for that. That is made by this, all right? The higher low makes the higher high. The lower high makes the lower low, period, all right? When you have a break of structure, the trend changes, right? It's indicating that price is about to, the structure is about to change from bullish to bearish, but the momentum immediately changes from one that is bullish to one that is bearish. This is the shift. Okay, I hope everybody got that. All right, the break of structure means everything, and it tells you who's in control. Okay, now let's look at what we were looking at. All right, this is the diagram that we were looking at, right, on a real chart. Okay, and all we see is a high being made and a low. This break structure. This is a low, a structural low, right? And then we make this higher high. We make a higher low. We make a higher high. Aha! We break structure. We break structure. We just turned bearish. Now I need to explain something to you. Let's go back to this. When we got higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? You got to understand that every time you make a higher high and a higher low, you just establish the trading range. This is your trading range, the high to the higher low. When you break structure, we're continuing bullishly, right? If you're breaking structure to the upside, we're continuing the bullish trend, the bullish momentum, right? But this becomes your trading range, all right? And when you break that structure, this becomes your new trading range top. Where is your trading range bottom right now? This is still your trading range bottom until the lower high is made. Until that lower high is made, this is your trading range bottom. I need you to understand this point, all right? As soon as this trading range bottom is established, you now have a trading range top and a trading range bottom. Boom, all right? Now, we go up, we break structure to the upside, all right? We have a new trading range top. This is still your trading range bottom. Price establishes a higher low. Well, now we have a trading range bottom, a new trading range bottom. All right. Great. We got a new top here. All right. We just broke structure. Boom. The momentum has shifted from bullish to bearish momentum. Right. Where's your trading range bottom? Wherever this is. We broke that bottom. This is your new trading range bottom. This establishes bearishness. We are now in bearish momentum. All right. And this is your trading range top. This is your trading range bottom. I hope everybody can follow that. Here's the key point of it. All right. Say price makes that trading range top from that former trading range bottom, right? The higher low made a new higher high. All right. We're getting ready to establish where the trading range bottom is. We're on our way. All right. Well, as price is coming down, I'm sorry, I was on the train of thought. As price is coming down, you need to know that price establishes this trading range bottom here, establishes the lower low, and now we have a trading range bottom here. Keep your eyes on this. All right. Anything that happens in between these two boundaries, the trading range top and the trading range bottom, is micro structure. It's not macro structure. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is macro structure. You can get higher high, higher lows on a lower time frame in here, but that's happening within the framework of the higher time frames, and that is the rule. The higher time frames run the lower time frames. All right, they give the targets for the lower time frames. That's a different subject. Don't even worry about that. What I want you to know is that's who sets the rule. The lower time frames work within the framework of the higher time frames. All right. So price can come all the way back down here. All right. Can come here, right? And come all the way back down here. It can go all the way to the top and then come back down here and never break this low. And we're still, if price just comes down here and turns around and continues higher, we are still, when it's here, we are still considered bearish. I'm sorry, because we just established that we broke structure to the bottom, to the downside. We are still considered bearish. If price breaks this high, then we go back to a bullish momentum. But price can come all the way down here as long as it doesn't break this low. We're not. I mean, as long as it doesn't break this low, we're still considered bearish. Once it breaks the low, we just continue in the bearish trend. What I really meant to say was price could come all the way back up here and be almost a double top. But until it breaks this high, until it breaches that high with a close, we're not bullish. You understand? We're still within the trading range. So the trading range is the rule, the boundary line. We break up top, we just turn bullish. We break the bottom, we're continuing bearish. Got it? As soon as we break this low, all right, We break that structure to the downside. We establish a new lower low, and we're waiting for what? The expectational direction is to make a new lower high. And the next expectation is for a lower low to follow. I hope everybody can keep up with that. I said it kind of convoluted because I've been up since doggone what do you call London. All right. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go back to the charts here. What I want you to see is with this diagram, we made this higher high, higher low, higher high. We're at the top of this trading range, right? This is the new top of the trading range. We break structure right here with a new lower low. Ha ha. All right. We broke structure. Things that have turned bearish. Who's in control? Sellers. Got it? Everybody's good on that, right? Good. Come on, man. What did I just do? All right. Everybody should be good on that. Okay. Now, we go up. Ha ha. We didn't break the high here. We did not break the high, but we did come down and make a lower high to a lower low. We did break this low, right? With a close. So what did we do? We turned bearish. We are continuing the bearish trend. We didn't break this high, the trading range high. We broke the trading range low, so we are still continuing bearishly. Ha ha. What happens? We go from here to here. Wait a minute now. We broke structure to the upside. We're not bearish anymore, are we? Who's in control? The bulls push price past the structure, past this swing high. I got a question for you. All right. What is this? What is this if this doesn't make a new low? If it doesn't break this low, right? You got structure that goes like this inside here, inside the trading range. What do we call this? What do we call that? Is that a higher high and a higher low? Is that a lower high? What is that? Remember the rules. Higher lows make higher highs, right? Lower highs make lower lows. Lower highs make lower lows. This low is responsible for that high. We broke structure. We broke structure, so we turned it from bearish to bullish. All right, so demand is in control. Buyers are in control. All right, we never broke the high here. That's interesting, right? But where is the trading range? The trading range is here. The trading range is here. We don't have this as a trading range anymore. This is the trading range because it broke that low. So we're here. That's your trading range. We broke that trading range to the upside. Everything's bullish now. Now, you see, we broke microstructure to the downside here. We got a lower low here, and you're thinking, man, we're getting ready to trend down. All of this is happening within the new trading range top. What are we waiting on? The trading range bottom. All right, we're waiting on the price to give us a higher low, because we just made a higher high. I hope everybody understands that. All right, we broke structure here. We broke structure here. That cancels out anything over here. That cancels out anything over here. We got a new trading range. So once we break structure to the upside, we're bullish. Demand is in control. Buyers are in control because buyers push price up here. While we're doing this, right now we're still considered this a pullback until we break this low. If we break this low, everything's bearish now, and sellers are in control. I hope that I didn't confuse you. I hope that you come to me with some questions about this, or just say, hey man, you wrong, man. Right, price is sideways, man. Price is going sideways, man. If you want to do that, you can. Price is moving sideways, but understand something on the higher time frame. What is that box? That's on the 3 hour. That's on the 8 hour. All right. We're looking at highs and lower highs. This didn't break that. You understand? This isn't just price going sideways anymore. It's a structural point. Can you dig what I'm saying? I'm sure you can. See how it comes to a point now? So where's the trading range? We got a lower high going here. We're expecting for, the expectation is for a lower low to be made. Can you see that? Lower low, lower high, lower low. That's what I'm looking for next. All right. I'll see you in the next video.